Okay, so welcome to part C of the question that we've been exploring. That is taken from the Edexcel June 2018 paper 3, question 5. So we're looking at part C, where we're told that Alice preemptively replaces 2 working calculators with 2 new calculators, and we're asked to determine the probability that our calculator will continue working for the remaining 4 hours. So here, what this means is that we want to figure out whether or not the 2 new calculators will continue working and the 2 old calculators will also continue working beyond the 2 hours. So we're looking at the probability that L is greater than 4 for the new calculators, and then we're going to be squaring that because that must be true for 2 calculators, and then we're going to times that by the probability that L is greater than 20 given that L is greater than 16, and there are 2 of these calculators that it must be true for. So this will be the new calculators and this will be the old calculators. So for the new calculators, L must be greater than 4, and for the old calculators, L must be greater than 20 given that L is already greater than 16. All right, and so remember, the square is because of the fact that it is 2 calculators that must be that must last for more than 4 hours. And then for the old calculators, again, it's 2 of them that must last for more than 20 hours, given that they've lasted for 16 hours. So we can go to our calculator, and then we're going to go to distribution, normal, NCD. So greater than 4, so the lower is going to be 4, the upper a large number like 1,000. Sigma is 4 and mu is 18. So that's going to be, we're going to get 0.99976, and then that is going to be squared. We're going to multiply this by the answer that we've previously gotten, which is going to be 0.4462, and that's going to be squared. So we can go to 0.99976 squared times 0.4462 squared, and we're going to get 0.199, the 3 significant figures. And the reason, of course, why we're multiplying this is that if we have a sequence of events that must jointly occur, then we're going to use the multiplication rule. So it must be the case that one of the new calculators must last for more than 4 hours, and another new calculator lasts for more than 4 hours, and one of the old calculators lasts for more than 4 hours, given that they've lasted for 16 hours so far, and similarly for the final old calculator. Ergo, that will be true. All right, so that completes part C, and then stick around for the final part of this question.